In this video, I want to show you how to download and install QGIS 4.0. QGIS 4.0 has just been released early this year, so I want to show you how to download and install it. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for QGIS 4.0 download. Hit enter key and it will open this page. So you can scroll down and go directly to the official website of QGIS. Click on this link. When it opens, you can see the changelog for QGIS 4.0. You can take your time to read through about the release. However, it was released on March 3, 2026. So take your time and go through the release notes. And also you can read the compatibility guide here. To download, just come to the download section here. Click on download section here. It will open this page. QGIS is an open source software. However, if you want to donate, you can donate freely here. So if you want to go straight to the download, click here to go straight to the download. And here is the download page. And you can see the long time release, which is 3.44. Our attention is to download the latest version, which is 4.0. So just click on download 4.0. So the download has started, and this may take some time. It is about 1.2 gig depending on the strength of your network. So after downloading, I'm going to show you how to install it successfully on your PC. So the download is almost done. After downloading, let me show you how to install it. After downloading, here is the installer. Let's start the installation. To install it, just double click. It's preparing to install. Click on Next. Accept the term in the license agreement and click on Next. If you want desktop shortcut, check it and click on Next. Click on Install. This will take a while, so you have to be patient for it. The installation is done. Click on Finish. To launch it, just come to Start menu and here is it. Click on QGIS Desktop 4.0. Yes, here is the interface of QGIS 4.0. You can read news here and you can see templates. Your recent project will be here. Let me just close this. Here is the interface of QGIS 4.0. The question is there a difference between these new versions and the previous versions? So in the next video, we are going to explore the new updates or differences between this QGIS 4.0 and the previous versions. But in essence, this is how to download and install QGIS 4.0. Thank you for watching.